Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for furniture and furnishings businesses and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you want to sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free. So get started and let's get started. So here it will take you to the dashboard. So as you see here, this is the dashboard. Okay, now click on here, set up your website in the storefront, and it will take you to the editor page. So here where you're gonna design and customize your website. So click on the settings and go to the templates and select the food topic, not the home topic for the furniture and furnishings. Okay, so I think I'm gonna choose this one here, furnishings. So as you see here, the first thing here you have to do, you have this is the announcement section, the first section on this template. So you can, if you want to delete it, you can just keep this one here, the header. Okay, you can keep it just like this. So you have to change this one here, and the design, the background, and the style, the color. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the header. So here you have to enter your company name, okay, for furniture and furnishings business. Also you can manage this navigation menu. You can add the menu item if you want. So in the design here you have to try your best to make your site look attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract your business or your websites. So make sure, don't forget the simple details, uh, like the site logo, like the size and the font. Don't forget the font, like, so this simple details, it's more important to make your site looks better and attractive. So that's it. Now let's move on to the background. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one here, it's attractive. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So here, this is the store section. So here you have to go and create your product. Go to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. As you see here, the first thing here you have to do, go your product. Now you have to add the product gallery. So go to the browser and search on furniture and furnishings. Okay, as you see here, you can select one of these images here. Okay, so um so this is depends on your business and your products. You can choose whatever you want as your products. For example, if you wanna buy this type of the home decors or the furnishings, okay, or like the or like this one here. So that's it. For me, I'm gonna choose just a random image like this one. Okay, so save it. So go back to the dashboard and click here. You can add 3 more or 4 more images here. So here you have to add the name of your product, the REF and the weight on kilogram, and also you can customize the prices options and the description. Here you have to add the description of your product. So that's it. If you done from this design in this place, go back to the editor. Okay, so complete here the design of the store, the background and the title, the product name and the product image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the company information. So you can use this one here. You can add the subtitle and the title, and nothing special here. You can use this space to talk about your company, or your services, your experience, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. In the description, use your favorite one. Okay, your favorite layout here. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the cover. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. You can add the tagline and the title and an interactive description that match the title. So this one here, this image, you can keep it just like this if it's matched with your business. And the design, choose your favorite layout. Like this is the same thing as normal, nothing special here. That's it. Now let's go back and let's move on. This is the company information, the same thing as normal, nothing special. Here you can talk about your business and your products. Now the same thing in the design, choose your favorite one. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the customer reviews. So if you want to add the review, you can add the review text and the author name, and also you can add the image if you want the image of the author. The design, choose your favorite one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. Now let's move on to the next section, the location section. So here you have to add your business address, enter your exact postal address or the plus code. You have to add the daily hours. Okay, you can use this one here, open hours. Okay, and here add the daily hours. Here you have to add the contact information, the social profiles. In the design, choose your favorite one. The layout, I'm gonna choose this one here, it's more attractive. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. The footer section, the last section here, you have to enter your company name for the copyright, and that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage from here. So if you're done from designing your website, you can just publish your website. Now your site will be published and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.